The world watches as a new trade war erupts. On April 2, 2025, President Trump ignited a global trade conflict. He imposed tariffs on over 180 countries. This move, dubbed Liberation Day by the White House, aims to address trade deficits. The tariffs are wide-ranging. They impact major economies like China, the EU, and Japan. These tariffs are significant, with rates as high as 54%. China faces a particularly heavy burden. The EU and Japan are also grappling with substantial tariffs. Smaller economies like Vietnam are not exempt. They face tariffs of up to 46%. This action marks a departure from traditional trade practices. The world is now on edge. Countries are scrambling to respond. The potential for a full-blown trade war looms large. The stakes are high for the global economy. The International Monetary Fund warns of dire consequences. The coming months will be critical. The outcome of this trade war is uncertain. Will it lead to economic turmoil or a new world order in trade? Only time will tell. Global markets are feeling the heat of the trade war. The stock market took a nosedive on April 3, 2025. The S&P 500 plunged almost 5%, wiping out $2.4 trillion in value. This drop marks the worst day for the market since 2020. The tech-heavy Nasdaq suffered even more, plummeting 13.6% from its peak. It's not just the US markets, the shockwaves are global. European markets, tracked by the stocks index, also tumbled. Asian markets felt the pressure too. China's CSI 300 and Japan's Nikkei index both declined sharply. Investors are clearly worried. The trade war injects uncertainty into the global economy. This uncertainty is reflected in other markets too. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yield, a key indicator of investor sentiment, dropped below 4%. This 8-month low suggests investors are seeking safety in U.S. government bonds. Meanwhile, gold, a traditional safe haven asset, surged past $3,100 an ounce. Even cryptocurrencies, often touted as independent of traditional markets, haven't escaped the turmoil. Bitcoin, the leading cryptocurrency, fell 6% to $81,000. These market reactions highlight the widespread fear and uncertainty gripping the global economy. The coming days and weeks will be crucial in determining the full impact of this trade war. The Trump administration's decision to levy tariffs has left many bewildered. The stated goal is to reduce trade deficits and protect American jobs. However, economists argue that tariffs rarely achieve these aims. Instead, they often lead to higher prices for consumers and businesses. Some speculate that the true objective lies elsewhere. The administration might be using tariffs as leverage to force